Now I will show you how to use how to this clean. Okay. Here we use this 1, 2, 3. You see here. Okay, we move side. Move side. You will see here. Move side. And then okay. And then with the touch screen, we use this screw. You will see screw, and then the materials come out. The materials come out. You will see here. Okay. When empty, okay, we can take out this screw. Move back. The back side, you will see we have a screw. Take out this one, screw, okay, and then we can take out this one. Okay, you will see, very simple. We have this screw. You will see this back side have a hole. You will see have a hole. So we will insert into the inside and then use hairs for put the screw inside. That's it. Simple. And then we can take out this one. When we want to clean, we can use this do the screw 1, 2, 3, 4 with the screw and take out this whole parts, and then take into this clean room for this clean. Okay, so very simple.